Rub a fresh onion on a sanitary pad. It might look strange, but this simple trick is a powerful secret for relieving physical discomfort and soothing your body naturally. Most people have these two items in their house right now, but they have no idea how effective they are when used together. Watch what happens next as we prepare this ancient home remedy and show you exactly how to apply it for the best health results. Have you ever looked at common household items and wondered if they could do more for your comfort? Today, we're exploring a unique home remedy that combines the natural properties of an onion with the convenience of a sanitary pad. To get started, you'll need a standard maxi pad, like these Always pads, and a fresh white or yellow onion. Before you touch anything, make sure your workspace is clean. Watch your hands carefully during this process. Onion juices are potent and can cause a stinging sensation if you accidentally touch your face or eyes. Let's start by unwrapping the pad and setting it aside. Now grab your onion. We're going to peel back the outer papery skin to reveal the fresh layers beneath. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut a thick, round slice right from the center. The reason we use onions in wellness practices is due to their high concentration of sulfur and quercetin. These are natural compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities. By slicing the onion fresh, we are activating these juices, making them ready to interact with your skin to help soothe localized discomfort or minor aches. Once you have your slice, place it directly onto the center of the sanitary pad. You'll notice the pad's absorbent core immediately begins to take in the onion's moisture. Why use a pad? It's simple. It acts as a perfect, breathable barrier. It holds the onion securely in place while preventing any juices from leaking onto your clothing or bedding. This setup is often used as a poultice, an age-old method of applying organic material to the body to draw out tension. Many find this particularly helpful when placed against the soles of the feet or tucked into clothing to address lower abdominal heaviness. Safety is our top priority. After you've handled the onion and positioned your pad, head straight to the sink. Use a good antibacterial soap and warm water to thoroughly wash your hands. This removes the strong scent and any lingering sulfuric acid that could irritate your skin later. Make sure to dry your hands completely with a clean towel. Proper hygiene ensures that this home remedy remains a helpful addition to your routine without any unwanted side effects. While traditional remedies like this shouldn't replace professional medical advice, they offer a natural, accessible way to manage minor physical discomfort from the comfort of your home. It's all about using what you have to feel your best. Give this onion and pad hack a try the next time you need a little extra soothing. By using this simple combination, you're tapping into a natural way to ease discomfort without any harsh chemicals. It's affordable, effective, and works while you rest. Just remember to watch your hands when cleaning up and dry your hands thoroughly once you're finished. Don't let minor aches hold you back. Try this onion hack tonight and see the difference for yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that follow button for more professional home wellness tips. Thanks for watching and stay well.